Hey guys, Kev from KegLand, and today we're doing a quick overview of our QA and QC procedures for one of our products, which is our Nukatap taps. We do have quite a lot of manufacturing capabilities in China. A lot of people think of us as an Australian company, which we are. We do all our design work in Australia, but all of our tap manufacture, for instance, is done in China. This particular facility is in Zhejiang province, so we just recently moved into Zhejiang. We've set up quite a lot of CNC machines to do the Nukatap FC and SS and a few other jobs as well with stainless steel parts. As you can see, we have a lot of automation in this facility. A lot of people ask us how we get the price of our forward sealing Nukatap SS and FC taps down so low while still maintaining such a high level of quality. The answer is automation and also the high volume output. It's now one of the highest selling forward sealing taps that you can buy out there, and it is significantly cheaper than even some of the brass taps you get over in China. So look, it's a fantastic tap option, and we do pride ourselves on the quality, and basically the quality has a lot to do with the checks that we do on every single batch. So as you can see, here's a salt spray room test. We do some salt testing and other chemical testing on the raw materials. Spark erosion is also one of them important on every single batch. Here we're testing the tolerances physically on some of the parts themselves, and we've also got optic tests as well to make sure if they're extremely high tolerances, we put them on this machine, which is quite important to make sure we've got all those sealing surfaces precisely machined. But that's just a quick tour. If you've got any other questions, put them in the comments below. Happy to answer them for you. That's it, and we'll see you guys next time.